Today's pro tip from A3J Group is how to disassemble an item kit for material usage within IBM Maximo. This is especially useful when you only need one item that's within an item kit.
A kit can be disassembled in just a few simple steps. First, open the kit in the inventory application. Notice this kit has 18 as its current balance. To disassemble the kit, we simply click the option under the More Actions menu. A dialog box will open, allowing us to decide how many will be disassembled. Today we'll choose 2. Clicking OK will commit the change. The current balance is now 16 for this particular kit. The current balance for all components of this kit have now increased by 2 in the inventory storeroom.
For more information, you can go to our website at a3jgroup.com or connect with us on LinkedIn or Twitter. For inquiries, please email info@a3jgroup.com or give us a call at 877-235-4774.